the hospital. They start work now.
Thank you.
Rejoice. That's my hand silence. Oh, amen.